Tabarakallah. Mashallah. Mwah. Oh. Nadi kanadi. Smichu sidi dre. Allah. Say 12.
4 kilo.
In this video, you'll watch how Lloyd catches a big sea bass in the calm morning sea in Morocco, showing patience and skill. After the catch, the day continues with a relaxing South African browrie by the beach, where minced meat and chicken are grilled over the fire in a beautiful seaside setting.
So this is how I hook these things.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes.
So today I'll be using my Saragossa 6000 and a Pearl Blue paddle tail drop shot.
After catching 2 sea bass, Dot in the same place, at the same time, he returns for the third time, not just to fish, but to understand, was it luck or something more? The shoreline is the same, the waves move with the same quiet rhythm. But today feels different. There's a question in the air. He begins to spin, again casting carefully into the water, each throw filled with anticipation. The wind brushes across the surface, and the sea keeps its secrets. This time, it's not just about the catch, it's about proving something, that the moment can happen again. Fishing is not only a recreational activity, it is closely linked to human survival and biology. From an evolutionary perspective, humans have relied on fishing as a source of protein and essential nutrients for thousands of years. This practice helped develop focus, patience, and the ability to read natural environments. Each cast into the water is a process of observation and adaptation, analyzing currents, movement, and behavior of fish.
Musacha, Jasmine packed me a little lunch for breakfast. Mashallah, Musacha. Fish on!
When a fish strikes, the human body responds immediately. Adrenaline levels increase, heart rate rises, and reaction time becomes faster. This response is part of a natural survival mechanism. At the same time, the brain releases dopamine, a chemical linked to reward and satisfaction, creating a feeling of happiness and achievement. This is why fishing is not only about catching fish, but about activating deep instinctive systems that have been part of human life for generations.
Tabarakallah!
Then it happens again. A sudden strike. The rod bends under pressure as the fish takes the line, pulling hard. Resisting, fighting for escape. He reacts instantly focused, controlled, managing the tension, guiding the movement. What follows is a brief but intense struggle, a balance between force and precision. The fish fights with energy, but slowly control is regained. Another catch in the same place.
3 sea bass, 3 days. Mashallah. Away. Mashallah. Mwah. Oh. Nadi kanadi. With the paddle tail. Mashallah. Oh, Sidi Dre. Smichu Sidi Dre. Tabarakallah. Dre. Mashallah. Dre. Dre Kabir spinning Mohammedia T4. Mashallah.
When Lloyd holds the fish in his hands, the moment becomes more than a simple catch. It is the meeting of effort and outcome, patience and time. His mind doesn't just register success, absorbs it. What was uncertain is now real and present. The happiness is quiet and grounded, as if the sea has briefly returned what it was holding. Meaning appears in the space between waiting and receiving, where effort meets the unpredictability of nature.
Bloody Canadian. I'm having an egg, guys. Need some power. مسافر. ما شاء الله.
ما شاء الله تبارك الله.
كبير.
كبير تبارك الله.
Say 12.
4 kilo.
But 3 fish, 3 days.
I'm a bit. كثير. الصحة والراحة.
شكرا. طاجين بوزروك. مساخة. Oh, salam guys, I'm walking back now. And yeah, I got another fish today on this bucktail. Paddle tail. It's like a pool blue. And then the 6,000. Yeah, with my salters, Dawa spinning rod. And yeah, mashallah, I got another fish. Cannot believe it. Shukran, shukran b'zaf.
The job is done, and the catch is in. Lloyd now heads home, ready to pick up his wife and head to the beach for a barbecue by the sea.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. Me and Lloyd, we're heading to Mansoria beach. It's really, today it's hot, it's hot. We're gonna do a barbecue there, chicken wings plus meat. Yeah, so, but first we don't have a foldable table. So we go into the shop to get a foldable table. We're gonna check what they have here. السلام عليكم خويا.
سلام لاباس.
كلشي مزيان؟
بخير.
How are you? مزيان؟
I'm مزيان زوين.
After landing a big sea bass, Lloyd heads to the mall, searching for a foldable table and chairs, preparing for a braai outdoors. He is planning to go have a braai by the sea with his wife. He is feeling unsure about what to choose, so he decides to leave the decision to Yasmin, letting her pick whatever she likes for their plan by the sea.
Sweet.
Yeah, you like this one?
They pause along the road, stopping at a mobile coffee vendor, taking a quick coffee before moving on.
Oh, Sacha, Mrs. Zwin.
Then they continue toward the sea. At the shore, they find a quiet spot with a wide open view. The sound of the waves fills the air, steady and calming, slowly clearing their minds. They set up their new table and chairs and sit down. As always, Lloyd starts his weekly mission, putting the charcoal and making the fire for the braai. A braai is more than cooking meat. It is about fire, patience, and spending time together. The food cooks slowly over the charcoal, and the smoke gives it a special taste. People don't rush the braai. They talk, relax, and enjoy the moment. For them, it's a tradition they respect and follow every week. They prepared the chicken wings they marinated the night before, with chicken spices and fresh lime. The flavors have soaked in, ready for the fire. Slowly, they place the wings over the charcoal, letting them cook with care, turning them gently as the smoke brings out their rich taste. For the meat, Lloyd adds braai spices while it cooks. On both sides, the heat and smoke bring out a rich, grilled flavor. Fresh vegetables, eggplant, tomato, onion, and sweet peppers are roasted on the charcoal. They become soft and smoky, making the braai a balanced meal. The chicken wings are ready now, and Yasmin will taste them first. Lloyd watches quietly, waiting for her reaction, hoping he has brought the true braai experience.
Wow, it's very tasty, very juicy. Look at that. This is my favorite, it's the best, wow. Our barbecue is ready. Look, the steak, it's cooked perfectly. And this is the chicken wing. And this is some veggies, pepper, onion, tomato.
Sacha. Wait, tastes good.
Wow, it tasted amazing. I love it. It's very tender and juicy. And the spices that Lloyd used, it is amazing. Wow, the vegetables also cooked so perfectly. Look at the meat inside. I'm gonna do a sandwich here. Some onion, the meat, tomato, pepper, eggplant. Amazing. Our vlog come to an end.
Thank you for watching. Yalla, bye bye.
Take care. See you on the next one. Bye.
Bisous.
Bisous.